Hi everyone, this is Maisha here. So in the last video, we've seen how to factorize with a greater than 1 coefficient. But last time, I did not have a negative sign in my last term. Now I have a negative term in my last coefficient. So how do I solve this? Again, I need to rewrite my first and last term a bit spaced out. So that's going to, I'm just rewriting this exactly the same way. Then again, I need to multiply 2 times by 15. What's 2 times 15? That's going to be 30. Yeah. Then the next thing is to find all the factors of 30. Let's go in number order. So it's 1, 30, 2, 15. Then it's 3, 10, 5, 6, and that's all. If I were to continue, I would have the exact same numbers that are being repeated. Okay, then the next rule to remember is that when I have the negative sign here on my last term, my pair of factor is going to be taken away. It's going to be subtracting each other to get a -7. It's going to subtract each other to get a -7, this middle term here. So let's have a look. When I subtract 5 and 6, do I get a -7? No. When I subtract 3 and 10, do I get a -7? Yes, I do. So what I need to do, I need to rewrite this as this -7 as plus 3x negative 10x. Okay, plus 3x and negative 10x. So this is something that's looking familiar to us now. Yeah, so we would just rewrite this as singular factorizations. Okay, so what's the most common factor here? I don't have any, but I do have a common letter, right, which is my x. I'm going to open up the bracket. X times by what is giving me 2x squared. That's just 2x. And then x times by what is going to give me plus 3x. That's plus 3. Again, let's double check that it actually gives us 2x squared plus 3x. Let's just expand this mentally. So 2x times by 2x, yes, it does give us 2x squared. X times by plus 3, yes, it does give us plus 3x. Then let's move on to this. So I have a negative sign here, negative. So do I have any common factor here? Yes, I do, which is 5. And then open up a bracket. Minus 5 times by what gives me plus 10x, minus 10x, 2x, right? Then minus 5 times by what is going to give me negative 15. That's going to be plus 3. Yeah. Again, this is correct because I know that I've got both of my brackets are exactly the same. So I know that I'm doing it correctly, okay? So my final answer would be 2x plus 3. And then whatever is left outside the bracket. What's left outside the bracket? My x and minus 5. So x minus 5. And that's my final answer. And you got it correct. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video.